Step 17. Managing your Amazon PPC campaign. Running ads is just the beginning. Managing your PPC campaigns well ensures you get the most sales for every dollar spent. Track key metrics. ACoS, advertising cost of sales. Center, click-through rate. CPC, cost per click. Monitor metrics like ACoS, Center, and CPC to understand if your ads are profitable and attracting the right audience. Optimize keywords. Add winning keywords. Remove poor performers. Add high-converting keywords to your campaigns and remove keywords that waste budget without generating sales. Adjust bids. Increase bids for profitable keywords. Lower bids for low performers. Raise bids on keywords that convert well and lower bids on those that don't bring sales. Test different match types. Broad, phrase, exact. Experiment with broad, phrase, and exact match types to see which brings the best results for your product. Regular campaign reviews. Weekly optimizations. Review your campaigns weekly, adjusting bids, keywords, and budgets to keep improving performance. Up next, Step 18. Tracking your sales and profits. With your PPC campaigns optimized, the next step is tracking your sales and profits to measure real business growth.